Airmid video consultations are accessed in the same way as a clinical face-to-face appointment. From the appointment screen, I can see the patient has signed into the video consult. The clinician right-clicks on the appointment and selects Airmid video consultation. This will open up the patient record and also Airmid's consultation page. They will need to copy and paste the secure code into Airmid for a secure link. They will be able to then see a video of themselves, and when the patient is ready, the patient video will appear. From here, they can do their face-to-face consultation. Whilst the video consultation is open, the clinician can write notes within the patient record, and they can also use data entry templates and auto consultations to speed up data entry. When the clinician has finished with their Airmid consultation, they can close down the Airmid window. This will bring them back to the patient record, and when ready, they can save that record.